Imagine entering a classroom where students can explore ancient civilizations through virtual reality, conduct science experiments through simulation, and access thousands of educational research with just a few clicks. What once seemed impossible has now become of reality because of technology. Technology has transformed almost every aspect of our lives, including the way we learn. Today, students no longer depend solely on textbooks and classroom lectures. Instead, they can access information from around the world through computers, smartphones, and the internet. Technology has become an essential tool in modern education, helping students learn more effectively and efficiently. As students, we use technology almost every day. We search for information online, watch educational video, complete assignment using digital platforms, and communicate with teachers through online applications. Because technology plays such an important role in our educational journey, I strongly believe that technology should be integrated into modern education because it improves access to information, increases student engagement, and prepares students for future success in a digital world. First, technology is needed because traditional educational methods have certain limitations. One of the biggest challenges in traditional education is limited access to information. In the past, students relied mainly textbooks and classroom materials. Although these research are valuable, they may not always provide the most current information. Knowledge changes rapidly, especially in fields such as science, medicine, economics, and technology itself. Through technology, students can instantly access updated information from through search around the world. They can read online journals, use digital libraries, watch educational documentaries, and participate in online courses. This access allows students to broaden their knowledge beyond what is available in the classroom. Instead of learning from only one source, students can explore multiple perspectives and gain a deeper understanding of various topics. Another challenge is student engagement. Traditional lectures often require students to sit quietly and listen for long periods. As a result, some students lose focus and become less interested in learning. When students are not actively engaged, they may struggle to understand concepts and retain information. Technology helps address this problem by making learning more interactive. Educational videos, digital quizzes, animation, and learning games can transform lessons into exciting experience. For example, students learning about the human body can explore interactive 3D models rather than simply looking at pictures in a textbook. This kind of engagement increases motivation and encourages active participation in learning. Now let's discuss how technology provides solution to this educational challenge. One of the greatest advantages of technology is flexibility. Learning is no longer limited to a specific classroom or schedule. Students can access educational materials anytime and anywhere. Whether they are at home, in a library, or traveling, they can continue learning through online platforms and educational applications. Technology also supports different learning styles. Some students learn best through reading, while others prefer visual presentation, audio explanation, or hands-on activities. Technology provides a variety of learning tools that cater to these different preferences. As a result, students can choose learning methods that suit their individual needs and abilities. In addition, technology promotes collaboration. Through online platforms, students can work together on projects, share ideas, and communicate with classmates regardless of their physical location. This collaborative experience helps students develop communication and teamwork skills that are essential in today's world. However, successful technology integration requires proper planning. Schools should provide reliable internet access and appropriate digital device. Teachers should receive training on how to use educational technology effectively. At the same time, students must learn digital responsibility, including ethical internet use, online safety, and critical evaluation of information source. Finally, let us consider the positive outcomes of integrating technology into education. When technology is used effectively, students become more independent learners. Instead of waiting for information to be given today, they learn how to search, analyze, and evaluate information on their own. These skills encourage lifelong learning, which is increasingly important in a rapidly changing world. Technology also helps students develop digital literacy skills. In today's job market, employers expect workers to be comfortable using digital tools and technologies. Students who regularly use technology in education are better prepared for university studies and future careers. Furthermore, technology encourages creativity and innovation. Students can create presentations, video, websites, podcasts, and digital projects that allow them to express their ideas in creative ways. These opportunities help students become problem solvers and innovators rather than simply passive learners. On the other hand, if schools fail to embrace technology, students may be at disadvantage. They may lack the digital skill necessary for higher education and employment. They may also miss opportunities to develop critical thinking, collaboration, and technological competence. In a world driven by innovation, ignoring technology in education is no longer a practical option. In conclusion, technology plays a vital role in modern education. It addresses the limitation of traditional learning, provides effective and flexible learning solutions, and prepares students for future success. By integrating technology into education, we create learning environments that are more engaging, accessible, and relevant to the needs of the 21st century. Therefore, I encourage schools, teachers, and students to continue investing in educational technology and promoting its responsible use. Together, we can ensure that every student has the opportunity to benefit from the powerful learning tools that technology provides. Technology is not just changing the way we learn, it is shaping the future of the education itself. I'm Lindsay Sarafapa. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention.